Antonio, congratulations. The game turned really in 5 minutes when you scored twice, and obviously they got a red card.
Yeah. I think we started the game a bit slow. Despite this, we created chance to score, but I think that in the first 20 minutes we started a bit slow. Then instead we improved the quality with the ball and the intensity, good pressure, and we scored twice. And then for sure when we played against 10 men was easier for us. But despite this, I think you must be focused. You must be brilliant. It happened in my career against 10 men that I lost a game. Instead, my players was very focused. Another clean sheet is very important to score 3 goals. For sure, we could score more. But a lot of positive things after this game. But we have to know that in today's we have to play against a team very strong, like Southampton, and now we have to recover and then to make the best decision for the start 11, because it won't be easy for us, but it won't be easy for other teams to play after 2 days.
I want to ask you, Antonio, about Harry Kane's finishing. We saw against Liverpool an instinctive finish from Harry Kane, and another one today. When he's at his best, he doesn't need to think about it, he just does it.
Yeah, but I always say that we are talking about a top-class striker and a player that for us is very important. And today I had the possibility to give him a bit of rest and then to recover and to play only 60 minutes for us was important, because Kane is a player that is very difficult to decide to make him in the rotation. You understand? It's very important for us. He scored. I'm happy for him. I'm happy for Lucas. I'm happy for Son. But I'm happy for the performance of the team, because if the 3 strikers are scored, and because the team worked very well.
I'll let you go, Antonio. Thank you very much.
Thank you.